My name is Maria Garwell. My business name is Maria Garwell Magician. I'm a magician, children's entertainer, and I've been in the business for 33 years. I'm the actual magician for 28 years. My biggest challenge to date is actually becoming the magician, and that was a big thing for me, actually being a solo act instead of being part of an act. Be passionate about it, hard-working, very reliable. That's the main thing, I think. To really identify the best advertising area for your type of business. Search the competition in your area. Pricing is very important for the product, also of the area. And go and gain experience. Okay? I also think it's a good idea to have a business plan, so you know exactly your pricing. Things you forget about is accountants, fees, advertising fees, and all them different things that you're perhaps not thinking about. So it gives you a good layout of what the whole business is going to be about. I've thought about this one, and it's got to be my husband, because he supports me in everything. He knows how I work, what I'm capable of, and I trust him.